Payroll 2021 in Excel. It is January 4th. It's Monday. It's the start of the work week in the new year. I know everybody would like their payroll files. So would I. I'd like to have them done. We're getting there. Still waiting for final guidance from the federal government on publication 15. But we do have some, well, we're just going to talk about Nebraska because we're still going down the list too as well for 2021. The good thing about Nebraska is that they haven't changed anything since like 2017. So all you need to gather for Nebraska is figuring out kind of what their allowances are. Now, they're using the federal W-4. Your employees will be using the federal W-4 to populate this amount, and it's a little complicated because the W-4 changed in 2020. So if they used an old W-4, they used to fill out this allowance right here of how many they had. But a lot of people have new W-4s, and they put the allowances over here now, which is the total number of dependents, and it's in thousands of dollars. And it can get confusing because when you want to pick your Nebraska allowances, you just want to be like, one for yourself or none for yourself, one for your kid, two kids, however many allowance it is, you want to put that there. So keep that in mind that that's the only bit of information you need for your Nebraska employee, but it's confusing based on which W-4 they used. You also want to fill out a filing status about whether or not they're single or they're married. And if they're head of household, they go in single there. The reason why you're going to want to do that is because there are two different tax rates for Nebraska. One for single and head of household. It's both. And one for married. And it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is you're going to annualize your employees' wages, multiply the gross pay for the period, this is a week, times the number of pay periods in the year, that's 52 for this one, and get an annualized wage amount, minus your Nebraska allowances times $1,960. That is how much a Nebraska allowance is worth. It's been the same for a while. It's right here. $1,960. I think it's been the same since 2017. That's what it is. So you're just going to subtract that amount times the number of allowances, and you'll get this Nebraska annualized. That's going to be your wage base for Nebraska that you're going to be multiplying this rate by. And the formula is just a nested if formula. It's going to say if you're single and you made less than $2,975 in the year, you're not going to pay any tax. If you had less than $5,840, you do this. Like, I can paste this in the comments, but you can also just get the file and do it that way. So this nested if formula figures out how much tax is going to be withheld for the year. Then you divide it by the number of pay periods in the year, and you get what it would be for the pay period, as well as what it would be if they were married. And then you choose whether or not they're married or they're not married. If we change this over here and they're listed as single, then this amount's going to pull this amount instead of this amount, which is what they are when they are married. It pulls this amount. And then you end up with your tax withheld. And you got paychecks right here, change around your paychecks, cumulative reporting in the drop-down sheets. Just change anything you want here. It's going to show you all the reports. 941 for your quarterlies, the whole deal. So Nebraska's not that bad. I don't have any local taxes in Nebraska. And also I need to check to see if the Nebraska wage base has changed in 2021 above 9,000. That's what it was in 2020. We will find out. This is really effective 2017 that the rates haven't changed. It's been a long time. And they're not going to be changing them for 2021. I did look it up, so this should be good. All right, guys. Nebraska's done. Still, New York, Oklahoma, Oregon, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Utah, Wisconsin, West Virginia. 8 more to go. I'm going to get them done today if I can. Got to finish all the stuff for everybody. All right. Good luck. Payroll should be easy. So we're making it so